This is unfortunate indeed. At least 19 people have died. Several others sustained injuries when a truck carrying a load of gravel rammed into an RTC bus coming from the opposite direction at Mirajgooda in Ranga Reddy district of Telangana. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has expressed grief over the road accident. He also immediately reached the accident site and directed officials to undertake necessary relief measures. He said the details, all details related to the accident should be informed from time to time. So he will be monitoring the situation personally. Aneri Shah joins us with more details. The Chief Minister ordering immediate relief operations. And Aneri, but what more do we know about this truck driver? Did the accident occur when the truck driver was attempting to overtake, or as we're hearing, he was perhaps driving in the wrong direction?
Well, in regard with what exactly transpired at the incident site, we are yet to know, but as of now, the relief measures are underway at Chevalla in Rangareddy district of Telangana, and Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has ordered for a detailed probe, and also at the same time he has instructed all the ministers and also the authorities to ensure that the relief operations are taking place. The death toll has risen to 19 now, and also at the same time what the officials, the law additional DGP of Law and Order for Telangana, Mahesh Bhagwat, has stated that they have already identified 7 to 8 bodies and have been shifted to Usmania Hospital, and also at the same time further all the injured have been shifted to Chevalla Government Hospital, and some of them have been shifted to the private hospital for treatment. Meanwhile, what we are also learning is that several people are said to be injured in this very incident, and also now what we are learning is that the officials there have been carrying out the rescue operations. As we see that early in the morning a lorry rammed into a bus, and at the time of incident there were near about 72 passengers who were traveling in the bus, and it is said to be an RTC bus where the incident has now taken place in Chevalla. Now further investigation will only reveal what exactly transpired, but as of now relief and rescue measures are underway.
Give us a sense of the relief and rescue work. The Chief Minister also were learning, rushed to the accident site, and you're telling us that the death toll is now climbed to 19. What's going on as we speak, Aneri?
Well, the Chief Minister has not yet reached the spot.
Okay.
He has instructed the officials to ensure the ministers and other authorities, the Health Minister, IT Minister, and other officials to reach the spot immediately where the incident has taken place. All the top officials, the police, the department, and also a control room has been set up at the Secretariat where the family of the deceased or the injured ones can contact a control room has been set up at the Secretariat, and also at the same time we see that the Health Minister has been directed to make sure that all the facilities are put in place at the Osmania Hospital and Gandhi Hospital for the deceased, and also for the injured who have been injured in this very incident. However, what we are learning is that some of the injured have been shifted to the nearby government hospital, and also some of them have been shifted to the private hospital. Chief Minister is closely monitoring the situation, and further instructions he has been giving to the authorities to on ground.
Thank you so much for joining us with all those details. We keep up with some of these visuals, but this is a tragedy that's unfolded in Telangana, and unfortunately the death toll has climbed to 19, several injured. Aneri was just giving us a lowdown of the number of people currently undergoing treatment, but this accident took place when a truck carrying a load of gravel rammed into an RTC bus which was coming from the opposite direction. Now these are preliminary details coming to light. One is still waiting for a confirmation on the same. Investigations will kick off going forward. We are also learning that this truck was carrying a load of gravel, and that's why you see some of it as the collision happened in these visuals as well. 19 people currently we're learning have died in the accident, and the Chief Minister will also reach the accident site. For now, he has instructed officials to update him about the rescue and relief work on an hourly basis. For now, we shift our focus to more breaking news that's coming in.